Hey everyone, first we'll take some trades and then we'll do the setup session. Along with MQ, we'll take small gains on this because it's better we wait for the reversal. So I took small profits and closed in Q because it already made from nearly 140, nearly 60, 70 points it moved. We'll wait for the new alerts. Whenever we get a new alert, then we can hold the trade for much longer duration. So that's the advantage of this indicator where we can hold the trade for longer duration. We got an alert for natural gas, 0.892. It's already close to the resistance, so I can avoid it. It's indicating that there might be a reversal on ES and Q copper. So I'm taking a short on ES. ES made a big move from 68.31. So took a short on ES. We'll take profit at 68.46.25. I'm also taking a short on YM and ES. I took ES short and YM short. So first target. Yes, one more time I'm adding a short again. I took the profits and entering one more time. I took profits on ES. YM also made nice profits. I'm booking profits on YM also. Took profits on YM. Yes. I'm entering ES short one more time. Taking a short on crude oil. As of now, crude oil and yes, shorts. Yes, I took profits one more time. Whenever you get a bearish reversal, one is you can see the table. The table is also looking red, or if that is one of the most bearish tickers, right? For example, crude oil, natural gas, silver. These are all good for bearish reversals today. Whereas GC is bullish, NKD is bullish. So these are generally where if you get a bullish reversal on these ones, we can go long on these. These are good for bearish reversals. So crude oil, we got a bearish reversal. And that's where I went with four contracts. So this is our target one. If it breaks that, it will come all the way to 59.47. Yeah, basically right. So NKD is also looking bullish. So whenever some ticker is very bullish, the drop will be only for a small time, and then immediately it will reverse. So that's where whenever we get a reversal, you see the table or you see this table, it will show if it is showing bullish. Then only look for the source. You see here, right? The crude oil will drop, natural gas. So generally, if they are close to 1%, right? Silver, crude oil, they are good for bearish. Whereas GC, NKD, copper, TY, these are mainly good for bullish reversals. Yeah, check please go ahead.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, please go
This
ahead.
is a new indicator like RLS, Kishore.
Yeah, this liquidity sweep indicator. Yeah, this was there since long time, but added the reversal so you can hold the trades for much longer duration.
What is the function, like how it is working? Like I don't have that. And this is the problem.
Yeah, basically, right? You, for example, whenever you get a reversal, you take the trade and hold it. So whenever you get a reversal alert, then you go and check. So if the trend is also looking, for example, if the trend is you got a reversal here, trend is looking bullish, then you can confidently take the trade and hold it until you see a reversal again, bearish reversal. You can hold the trades for much longer duration. Here you got a reversal and nearly for 1 2 hours it stayed in the same trend, and then there was a small reversal, and then again it continued to go up. So you don't need to do scalping. You can hold the trades. This is like swing buy, swing sell. So this is where you got a swing buy. Here you got a swing sell, but overall trend is bullish. So the drop was only for a small amount of time.
And this is the final, like for example, and the price is at the bottom, right? And this is the final buy because we get in FLM and all we get multiple buys, right? And finally
Right.
there's a breakout, right? For example, in the morning ESN and Q there's a breakout, then we are not sure which is actual breakout. So this is the final one we can take, or
Yes, yeah. Basically here you can hold the trade right with FLM. You can do scalping, quick scalping. Whereas here you can hold the trade for much longer duration. These are like swings or day trades where we can hold until you see the reversal again.
okay. And is there any criteria like do we need to check the T5 confluence and the momentum as well, 30 minutes buy as well, those things?
No, you don't need to check 30 minutes in this, but it's always good to check the momentum.
Okay. Overall, if it is
So,
green, then we can go for it longer, right?
right. So whenever you get the alert, for example, you got a reversal at NKD 52,840. Right. So if the momentum is very bullish, so that means it is a good one for a long opportunity. So
And
we
is it
got a big,
only for 35 minutes or any time frame is fine?
yeah, in US market we use 5 minutes, in non-US we use 3 minutes.
Okay. Can we? I don't have the access to this one. Can we just try it out? maybe replace one of the indicator. I have SPX or that sorry, tag and turn.
Yeah, what is your username?
Let me just ping you. The chat is actually disabled for me. Can you enable it?
Yeah. Yeah, please put your username. You will need access for this one.
I just pinged you.
Yeah, ES and NQ, all the indices will be bullish. Gold is also looking bullish. ES and Q. Natural gas should be bearish. Crude oil should be bearish.
Is this RLS good for 30 minutes as well? Can hold the trades overnight or maybe
That is for your personal account. You can use 30 minutes or 1 hour.
it's
But
similar to the tag and turn or it's kind of what traditional thing it's bringing? Like,
yeah, similar to tag and turn.
because I already have tag and turn, so I'm just thinking, is it anything else or
Yeah, basically where you can hold the trades. So tag and turn is good in 30 minutes, whereas this one is good for your 3 minutes, 5 minutes for prop firms where you can hold the trades for much longer duration. So today we saw like SPX. So initially when market opened, we got a reversal. It went all the way to from nearly 68.35 went to 68.67. Then you got a reversal here. Then for entire day it stayed in the bearish. So you don't need to until you see the reversal again, you can hold the trade or
okay, okay, and we can set alerts as well, right, for this one.
yes, you can go to RLS. and then you select reversal. If you do reversal, whenever there is a bullish reversal or bearish reversal, you will get an alert. If you want to get little before the reversal happens, you can do preview reversal. That means even before the reversal signal appears. So this is like much faster. Whereas this one is once the confirmation happens, then you get the reversal here.
Okay, got
Mhm.
it. And is that the we need to wait for the candle to close, right? Because I see this one as you were showing the SPX, right?
Mm. Yeah, we'll wait until the alert. Whenever the alert comes, then we can take the trade. It is much better in the morning time because yeah, in personal account you can hold a crude oil short.
What is the level for crude oil? Sure.
It will go to 59.4. Provided access to everyone who shared their username. No.
But you said 59.4. It's currently at 59.6 or 7, probably. Oh, for a short. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, it is good for the short. It will go until 59.4.
Okay. Thanks, Vishal.
Yeah. Yeah. Taril, do you have any questions?
Yes, Kishore. So,
59.
wanted to understand two things. One, in the spreads, the spreads are also type of two different contracts, right? So,
Mhm.
contract level, there will be decaying happening, theta, right? But at the spread level, does that happen? Like, for example, overnight, yes, goes up 20 points.
Mhm.
So the morning, the return will be even higher, or the spread will not move like that.
Yeah, the spread basically, right? Because you have two legs, the decay, one leg decay will compensate the other leg decay. But right, for example, let us say ES, right? ES trend is bullish. So let us say you do a bull put spread below 68.43, and if it stays below above 68.40 by tomorrow morning, then you will make profits.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever, for example, you got a bullish reversal, then if you do bull puts, then you have two legs. So yeah, yeah, that is the advantage, right? If you buy calls and if it stays choppy, you lose with the theta decay. But when you're doing a
Mm-hmm.
bull put, even if it stays choppy also, you'll make profits. As long as it stays above that price, you'll make nice profits.
Mm-hmm. Got it. And how does the SPX levels look like tomorrow?
Yeah, as I
I
said,
think
the
it is.
last 2 days it dropped so much. So tomorrow we'll see a. So that's what ES and Q I mentioned today afternoon itself, right? ES and NQ will be bullish overnight, and tomorrow
Mhm.
SPX will gap up 30-40 points up.
Yeah.
Mm.
Do you, because it dropped so much today, do you have the levels or it is too early to share? Usually, we have those R1 to R8 and S1 to S8 levels.
Right, that I can share in the morning time. I'll see the
Mhm.
open interest levels, all those things, and then I'll post the levels in the morning. But yeah, we'll see minimum 30-40 point gap up tomorrow with ES, with SPX.
So the bull puts that we took
Mhm.
today
Yeah,
will make
yeah,
gains.
yeah, they will make gains. So once we took it, they actually made profits, but we are holding it so that tomorrow we can make more profits.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think we could have also bought um, a bull put maybe near one. Like I think we bought 68, 45, and 40. How if like if you would have taken 68, 25, and 30, would that make any more sense or? Mm,
Yeah. So again, right, because when we got a bullish reversal, we got the 68, 40, 45. So if we wanted to just
right.
book 20-25%, we'd have, when we got the RC, this bearish reversal, we'd have booked the profits. And because
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow we are expecting again 40-50 point gap up, tomorrow we'll make more profits. So if you close today
Mm-hmm.
itself for tomorrow's, you will make only 10%, 15% today. But if you wait
Got
until
it.
tomorrow and if we close it, then we'll make 40-50% minimum. So
So
tomorrow,
target should be like about 35-40%, right, per contract.
right.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
Okay.
tomorrow we'll see minimum yeah, 40-50 point gap up when market opens.
Mm-hmm.
So ES and NQ
And
also be bullish overnight.
and we're still holding on UNG as well, right?
Yeah, UNG you will see a nice drop today. So yeah, UNG puts we are holding because UNG also moved so much. Overnight it will drop.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. Thanks, Kishore.
Yeah. Yes, Sunil, please go ahead.
Hi, Kishore Garu. So can we
Yeah.
take MES and keep it overnight?
Yeah, we can take MES, yeah, MES long or even MNQ, one or two MNQs for overnight.
Okay.
Yeah.
At the current price, we can take and hold it, correct?
Uh, right.
Or wait for the
Or
signal,
you can wait for a, yeah, if you're going to stay awake, then you better wait for a little pullback.
pull back. Okay.
You got a reversal here. It will pull back and again go further up.
Okay. Okay. So the second question I had was you just showed a preview symbol
Mhm.
also, right, Kishore Garu? Is that printing in the chart or that doesn't print in the chart?
You'll just receive an alert. It doesn't
Okay, it
print
doesn't
in,
print in the chart.
yeah, it doesn't print, but you will receive an alert saying that there is a potential reversal happening, going to happen. Whereas once it
Oh, okay.
confirms that,
Okay.
then only it will print the signal.
Okay. Is preview pretty much like to get ready and then once you see
Right.
the confirmation, you place the
Or
order?
if you, for example, you took a long position. Now, if you
Okay.
get a preview, you close your long position, and whenever you see a bearish reversal, again you can take a short like that.
Got it.
Yeah, or
Got it. Got it.
you can be ready. You can start getting ready to take the contracts, all those things once you see the preview.
Okay. Okay. I have seen some version of this one before. In that, it used to print only the most recent reversal, but I think now you're printing everything, right?
Right, yeah. We can
Okay.
see all the trade,
The
like,
historical.
yeah, historical trades.
Oh, okay. 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 So looks good, Kishore Garu. Thank you.
Sure, yeah. Yeah, sure. Do you have any questions?
Yeah. It is printing after 7, 8, or sometimes more
Five.
than 10 later, right?
No, it will wait until 5 candles, and then you'll receive alert. For example, here,
No, no, I checked. Sometimes it is even 12 candles or later it is printing.
based on the trend. Once the trend confirms, then it will print. For example, reversal.
Yeah, you took
You got it.
anything at
For example,
2109.
here it printed at 68.43, but you got the alert at 68.47. Now you are at 68.54.
No, no, no. I mean to say the candles, not the time.
Right. So that's what it will wait until it confirms that the trend is really bullish or not. And then it
Okay.
is telling that, okay,
Till
the
it
reversals.
confirms, the reversal symbol won't appear on the screen, right?
That is right. Yeah. Only when it confirms, then this will appear and then the alert will appear. Only when it confirms.
Okay. Once it appears, then we have to see the trend, whether it is on the top bullish or bearish. Based on that, we have to take the trade.
Right. Or as mentioned, right, whenever you start, you see that, okay, crude oil is bearish today, silver is bearish,
Oh, okay.
and the GC and KD like that you see. Then you mainly watch out for the bullish reversals on these tickers. You mainly watch for the bearish reversals on these ones.
Mhm.
That way also you can do, or whenever you get the signal, you see that, okay, table is mainly 1, 5, 15, everything is looking bullish. So we can take the trade.
And how long we can hold it?
You can hold until as long as you see the right. For example, here you have a resistance.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So minimum you can hold until this resistance point.
Mhm. But I
You
cannot hold until next symbol comes, right? Because by the time it is already too late.
again, the morning time you can hold, right? For example, yeah, there will be huge moves like today, where you can hold on whenever the trend is very strong, like 46, 56. The trend strength is very very strong. You can hold for much longer duration.
Oh,
But
okay,
if
okay.
the strength is only 20 like that, then better whenever you see this is your resistance, this is your support.
If we are following this, then we don't need to bother for the reverse triangle, the red triangle on the top, right?
For example, you missed this
Usually,
opportunity. Let us say
oh,
you
okay.
missed this opportunity. You got a reversal here, or you got reversal somewhere here. So if you miss that, then you have a strong sell. Then if you miss that, then you have all these are sell opportunities. You can short it at any point of
Oh,
time.
okay, okay.
So these are like it
Whenever
is
that
there is a, yeah, it dropped, then there is a
re-entry,
pullback.
basically.
Yeah, you can
Mhm.
re-enter. Or yeah, basically if you miss the previous opportunities, you have a lot of other opportunities to enter. So it dropped, you
Understood.
got a pullback. So in the same
So,
way,
okay.
bullish, right? You have the green triangles. If you missed the initial reversal, then you got all these green triangles to long go long again.
Oh, okay, okay. Basically, those are, we can use them like a re-entry points. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Mhm. And tomorrow SPX, for example, if it rises 40 points in the morning, quickly
Mhm.
close the trade or wait?
Again, as I say, always right. We can always trim if you have 5 contracts, trim 3 or 4 contracts. So now that is like a free runner, the last one. You can just hold that
Oh,
one. But yeah, if we see a nice gap up, better we because if there is a 40-50 point gap up, generally there is a possibility we will see some reversal again. So yeah,
Okay.
it's better we book the profits and hold the one contract until end.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, Sunil, please go ahead.
So, Kishore, we took a shot. You already booked the profits on it?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. I did not. I was thinking it will go down.
Yeah, when it came all the way
But then I
down.
saw it's reversal now. So should I wait? I'm at 68.46.
Then you wait for the next RC reversal, the bearish reversal. You add one more contract. Then we'll see
Hmm.
again a little bit drop. Then
Okay.
you can close the shots. But yeah,
Got
mainly
30 minutes, it is still bearish, but in the 3 minute, it is bullish. So I just didn't come out of it, but I was so the latest update is good. I see the reversal and the SRB, which is holding line, which I think is little bit almost like the tag and turn at 30 minute, but this is more at a shorter. But
right.
if this is the same in the 30 minute, then what's the difference between tag and turn and this?
So tag and turn will look for specific candle patterns. Only if that candle pattern
Okay.
happens, then only it will give you that bullish tag and turn or bearish tag and turn. Whereas this one is more based on the price action. If the price changes without irrespective of the candle patterns, so it came all the way down and then started. You got some bullish candles, broke the previous resistance. Then it will give you the reversal.
Got it.
So for
Okay.
example,
So, I mean, I'm trying to understand the relation. Let's say in my 30 minute, I got a bearish tag and turn, and I have T1, T2, T3. In lower time frame, in RLS, what am I looking for to understand that trend before I enter in prop accounts, especially?
so in 30 minutes in the tag and turn, if you have a bearish signal, then in
Okay.
3 minutes or 5 minutes also, you mainly watch out for the bearish reversals.
Very, okay. Okay.
But if or you can always start with 30 minutes here because sometimes
Even
looking
RLS,
at
we can trade 30
yeah.
minutes.
So here you got a in 30 minutes you got a bullish reversal.
Yes.
So that means there is a high possibility for price to go up further tomorrow.
But in the table there, the trend is still bearish. The threshold 13.75, current ATR is 7. How do I read that data? In the table on the right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The current ATR threshold and trend. But the indicate the printing message is RC reversal at 68.31. So basically 68.31 is the reversal point. But
You're
I
right.
don't, in the minute, we still don't see a buy. Does it mean we wait for bullish entry in the short term, but the triangle
Basically,
for come?
your green one is like a buy signal, right? Your red one is like a
Okay,
sell signal. This is
correct,
like your
correct.
sell. If you miss this sell, then you got a strong sell. So those are different opportunities. So here it is telling that again there is a strong support here, right? Your blue line is your support. So it is indicating that overall in 30 minutes the trend changed from bearish to bullish now. And this is your
Got it. Okay.
potential target tomorrow around 6904.
Oh, okay. 6904.
So
Got
if
it,
it
got it,
breaks
got it.
6904, then 6922 is the next target. But yeah, generally if your 30 minutes is in a bullish, you can keep taking the bullish reversals in the 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Or if you
Got it.
don't want to get confused between 30 minutes, 3 minutes, all those things, then just watch out whenever you get a reversal signal or whenever you get an alert,
Hmm.
immediately you go and see the trend or you
So,
see
but
the
right
table.
now, if you see,
the table is
Oh,
bullish,
okay, okay.
then that means overall the trend is bullish. When you get a reversal but trend is looking bullish, then you ignore the bearish reversal. Right? For example,
Got it.
GC. Right? Overall
No,
trend is
if
very
you go to
bullish.
ES, if you go to ES right now in 3 minute, so we
Mm.
had the bullish reversal, right? And then we got a strong buy, but then sorry, yes. So we got the buy, but then
Mm.
there were, so do we read the current drop as just as a pullback,
Yeah, it is
or
just a
do we
pullback,
wait for it
right?
to
Because this is your target. It went and hit the target.
correct? It reached the target, correct. So then is it going to wait for, it's almost like it is going to come back to that blue line for the buy orders and then go back, or
Yes, yeah. It will go up. It is creating higher highs and higher lows, right? It will go up, do a small pullback, again go further up, again do a small pullback. So this point will keep moving up and up.
got it. Okay, okay. Okay. So for
Yeah.
the
But
45, the 46 that I have, is it good time for me to add one more, get the average out, and by the time it gets to 49 or whatever, just come out of it?
yes, yeah.
Or
Yeah, you
okay,
can
we
you
got a
can add
reversal.
one more. Yeah. So it may come either to blue or somewhere close to this. So
Got it.
the next
Okay,
point will be somewhere around 68, 44, 45.
got it. Okay. So I told you, I think I sent you the message. So my eval got cleared. So I'm in the second level. That's why I'm trying to be a little bit more careful with the intraday margins. I've never played with the intraday margins. So I'm trying to be careful on how to deal.
Right. So that's what. So today, yeah, gold NKD is very bullish today. So mainly watch out for bullish reversals. Right here you got a bullish reversal, then it moved nearly 500-600 points. Then you got a bearish reversal, but because the trend is so bullish, it will be just a pullback, small pullback, and again you got a reversal. So if it breaks it, then it will go all the way to 53 to 60. That will be your next target. So
Got it.
you
Okay.
mainly watch out for the bullish.
So
So
yes, overnight if we add in our personal, at what point price, what's the price, 68.45, or should we wait for even further pullback before we enter long for overnight?
68.45 is a good point to enter long.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, and Q are looking bullish. Overnight we'll see a nice move. Yeah,
Do I need to
NKD.
enter anything to see the RLS print on the screen?
Sorry, do you need?
Do I need to, like the RC reversal, the message
Mm.
that is getting, do I need, what, it is not printing the message out for me.
Just add a new tab and then just add the indicator. You'll see.
Got it. Yeah. I just added. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you, Kishore.
sure.
Sorry, one last question. So when we intraday margin, so CL, I had $130 profit, and now I'm back to $10. Does it mean it considers I am $100 intraday margin because I
Mm,
did not
yes, yeah,
30?
yes, yeah. It will look at the unrealized gains. Based on that, it calculates. So that's why whenever you are working with the intraday accounts, better to keep booking profits.
Because for CL, I set the buy at 59.73. It almost came till 70 and went back.
Right. So again, as long as if you wait for some more time, if you book profits, then there won't be any problem.
Oh,
But
okay, okay, okay.
if you close it in a loss, then that is where that unrealized
That
those
extra
things will.
$100 outside of the normal loss gets added to the intraday loss.
Right. But if you are after a few minutes, it will go to 59.6 or something. Then if you book the profits, then as long as you are closing that in profit, there won't be an issue.
Got it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kishore.
Mm.
Oh, okay.
Next, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore, I'm not seeing this RLS indicator. Could you able to add for me?
What's your username?
Sridhar 46.
Mm.
SRIDHAR 46.
You already added this, right? Yeah, you should see it. Go to invite only, and I think you might be seeing under favorites. Go to invite
Invite
only.
link.
You'll see
Yeah,
it
I
under.
can see the futures level manager, MTF futures scan T5, RCA price pulse, tag and turn.
Did you log out and log in?
Oh, let me log out and log. Yeah, I can see now. Thank you.
Mm. Mm. Rahul, I changed your replicant ID. And tomorrow, Tesla, most of the stocks also will be bullish. So we are holding Tesla and also Micron, they will be bullish tomorrow. Mm.
So in the morning, while doing the options, you are recommending to use the dragon turn and also the liquidity alert, or only this one is enough for Kishore Garu, the RLS.
Yeah, RLS is good enough. If you want to hold for a long time, RLS is good.
Thank you.
Mm. Adya, I updated your mission ID. So whoever provided their usernames or the replicanters, we updated all those ones. So as I mentioned, GC is bullish, NKD, ES, NQ, all these are bullish for IM. Mainly crude oil, silver, they are looking bearish for overnight trades. And for the liquidity sweep, all we are doing is waiting for a whenever you see the reversal, you wait until you see, so you can keep booking profits. For example, we got reversal here. Either you can enter and you can hold until you see the bearish reversal, or you can keep scalping. You take it went up $100 to $100. Take profits. Again, you got a buy signal. Again, you take $100 to $100. You can whenever you see a buy signal. So this is another buy signal, another buy signal, another buy signal. So always when something is bullish, buy on the dip or buy on the drop. It went up, you got a pullback. Went up, you got a pullback. So overall, GC is very bullish. So, or you don't want to keep scalping, then whenever you get a reversal, you just go long and wait until you see the reversal again. So yeah, this will this will work best when we have more volume. So in the morning time, this one is best one where you can take the trade and hold for much longer duration. So tomorrow Tesla we may see it all the way to 430 or 428 tomorrow. Micron, we are expecting 380. Tomorrow we may see around 380 on micro. Mm, Money flow is also similar to so like how the big companies are buying or selling. The up arrow indicates people are adding more. Down arrow means people are reducing the buy. For Tesla in 1 minute.
So yes, if we buy in the personal for long, what should be the target for overnight? 69.
I can see for overnight, we should see somewhere around 68.90.
68.90. Okay.
Yeah, UNG puts we can take profits tomorrow. Tesla we can wait until Thursday or Wednesday. Navin, I already gave you access. Please log out and log in. You should be able to use the replicator. Yeah, bull puts will make profits. So because ES will make a nice move overnight, then bull puts SPX will gap up with 30-40 points up tomorrow. Yeah, Navin, do you have any other questions?
Yeah, hi, sir. Hi. Yeah, see, actually, I have in the Replicanto 3 accounts. So if I want to cancel the position one account after getting some profits, can we do it? Uh,
Yeah, you can go to Ninja Control Center and you can close the position manually and then go to Replicanto and disable that radio button.
um, yeah. Can I share my screen, sir? How do I go? Can you show me once? Oh, in the control center.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Okay. Let me know once you see the screen.
Okay, so for example, you have 4 accounts here, right? Which you are copying
Right.
from 389 is your leader account.
Right.
So you
So
want to book profits on which account?
only on this one, okay?
For
986.
example, yeah, on 986, you want to book the profits. So then go to the control center, Ninja Control, minimize this replicant window. Just minimize it. Yeah. So you go to positions, the positions tab,
Okay, okay.
and then you will see the positions of different accounts here. Whichever you want to book the profits, you can right click and manually close that position.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay,
And then you
okay.
go to Replicanto and you just disable that radio button. Otherwise, when you close the other ones again, So you have
Okay,
radio
okay,
button, right? Just click on that radio button,
okay,
whichever
okay.
you do.
Sure, sure.
Or you can also use cross order. That means whenever you take GC, you will take MGC in this account. If you want to take low risk with some pro accounts, let us say. So whenever you take my minis GC in your main account, you can take micros in your pro accounts. You can put that cross order. You can check those boxes.
Oh, okay, okay,
Mm.
okay. Sir,
Then it will take.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your like today, like successfully entered into the evaluation rounds completed. So just okay, entering into the second phase. Thank you so much for all your help, okay, and all your inputs. Hoping to
So,
cross this second barrier.
yeah. You just use this RLS where you can hold the trades for much longer duration. So tomorrow, mostly, yeah, ES and Q all will be bullish. All the indices will be bullish.
So sure. Yeah, I'll do it, sir. I'll keep you update on this one. Thank you. Thank you so
Sure.
much. And sorry, one last question. Here, what do you mean by threshold uh, and current ATR?
That means how much it is moving for every 5 minute candle, right? Your 3 minute candle, how much it is moving in that. So if suddenly you see some big moves more than right 0.06, that means the volatility is very high. If it is just moving between 0.03 to 0.06 in each 3 minute candle, then that means it is fine. But if it is making very big moves, big candles within a 3 minute, you see a huge move. That means it is a little risky.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, but yeah, you don't need to worry about that ATR threshold. The main thing is you look at the trend. If the trend is bearish, that means mainly you watch out for the bearish reversals.
Sure, sure. And one last thing is, sorry, in the alerts, okay,
Yeah.
so here you will be putting only for once the
No,
condition is
that is
met,
only
right?
only for preview you can do once only, but for these reversals you can do once per bar close.
Oh, once per workers. Okay. Yeah. Um, sure, sir. One last question. Sorry. YM YM is the most how would you rate okay the volatile? Is it more volatile or is it medium or like
It is
it
medium.
goes like
Yeah, it
okay,
is not like NQ. It is similar
okay,
to ES. Yeah, it is medium volatile. NQ and silver are the most volatile tickers.
okay. Sure, sure. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. So it is done. Yeah, whoever gave the usernames, I gave access for this RLS. So yeah, tag and turn is mainly for swing trades for 30 minutes or above, whereas RLS is mainly if you want to do day trades, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Uh, that is where you can take the trade, hold until much longer duration. Whereas RLM, they are good for quick scalping. If you are a quick scalper, you want to take a lot of trades, then that RLM or FLM, SLM, they are good ones. So yeah, that's it, everyone. So as I mentioned, gold, all the indices are bullish for overnight, and crude oil is bearish. Crude oil and natural gas also will see a drop overnight. So we'll continue in the morning again. Yeah. Good night, everyone.